What's going on, everyone? My name is Ravi Abuvala, founder of scalingwithsystems.com. We have generated literally hundreds of thousands of leads, both for ourselves and our clients in the past 24 months. And we have done that through both a mixture of inbound and outbound marketing. Now, having grown my Instagram to about 150,000 people, having an email list that's in the tens of thousands, having serviced over 1,000 clients, and having sent hundreds of thousands of emails for both my clients and myself, and LinkedIn messages and Facebook, I know quite a bit about both inbound and outbound marketing. So let's really quickly recap as far as what an inbound versus an outbound marketing or lead is. An inbound lead is one that comes to you, okay? Usually you put some kind of blog post, content, YouTube channel, whatever it is out there, Facebook group, Facebook Live, in order to capture their attention, and they come to you. The second type of marketing is going to be outbound marketing, and that's going to be when you actually go to your clients, whether that's cold calling, LinkedIn messaging, emailing, whatever it is, where you're actually going out and finding them. Now, it's really important to understand the different mindset that your client's going to be in when they're either coming inbound and outbound, as that's going to actually determine what your messaging is, what your offer should be, and exactly what your first touch points are going to be whenever you actually speak with them. So for example, if I hop on my computer here, let me show you in an inbound, and I'm just going to let you guys know right from the bat here, I am awful. My writing is awful. But in inbound marketing, the difference in when you're going to, or when your prospect's coming to you, is first that they have a pain, right? So you have some piece of content or something out there that shows the pain, and then you're seeing if there is a fit. So they have a pain, you show, like this video right here, right? I'm showing you guys, maybe you have a pain trying to figure out how to do inbound or outbound marketing, and so you're watching this video, and then you go, hey, Ravi looks awesome, Cobos and Lucas looks pretty killer, I want to be more like him, or I want to learn from him, or I want to learn from Scaling with Systems, he's had hundreds of client success stories, let me reach out and see if there's a fit. So you're going to click the link down below, we're going to get your information, and we're going to see, is there a fit? So you came to us, you had a pain point, my content drew you in, and then I'm going to see if you're a fit for our program, right? The second option is going to be outbound. Okay, now in outbound, it's actually the opposite. Okay, in outbound, you're going to people that are your fit, right? So maybe you service real estate agents, so you're reaching out to real estate, or maybe you service people that are doing $100,000 a year and they want to get to $1 million a year, or $10 million a year, or maybe you specifically service, people that work for the Department of Defense. It doesn't really matter. The point is, you know exactly who you're going after, and so you're reaching out to those people, and then you're saying, hey, do you have this pain point, right? Hey, at Scaling with Systems, we help clients create online businesses and scale them to 7-8 figures ridiculously fast while being hilariously profitable. So I'm reaching out to people that already have some businesses, they already have some clients, and they just need to figure out, how do I increase my profit margin, increase my top line and bottom line revenue, and that's where I'm reaching out to. Okay, so inbound content like this, they come to me, I say, are you a good fit or not? Outbound, I go to people that I know are good fits, and I have to figure out, do they have a pain point? So that's the main difference between inbound and outbound marketing, okay? And that's actually going to determine what kind of sales cycle you take them through. So for example, inbound marketing, you want to be creating a lot of different pieces of content that highlight different pain points. So blog posts, YouTube videos, whatever it is, you want to be going, hey, what are the biggest pain points my client has? And then I'm creating these pieces of content next to them. So I'll put on the screen right here, you can see we have scalingwithsystems.com/blog, and you can see we literally have dozens and dozens of different pieces of content that hit different pain points for our clients. Where do I hire a virtual assistant? How to create outbound sales teams, right? How do we create a machine that produces cash for our business on autopilot? These are all different pieces of content that I know that are pain points for my clients. I create the piece of content, I promote it on my Instagram, my LinkedIn, my Facebook, we do it in an email blast, we do it on LinkedIn, we do it really anywhere, and then people that have that pain point, he's solving my pain point, let me go check it out. And then they click somewhere on the link there in order to book a time with us. Okay, so that's me creating inbound marketing for my company. And then outbound, we use different websites like D7 Lead Finder, or you can use different websites that are able to actually scrape leads of your target clients. So there's a bunch of different websites out there that you can actually Google. Maybe your ideal client, maybe you create a company, and for your company, you service people that use Salesforce, right? Salesforce is a really popular CRM. And so you get a list of all of the companies. There's hundreds of thousands of companies that use Salesforce. So you get a list of hundreds of thousands of the companies that are Salesforce customers. And then you reach out to them and you figure out, hey, I see that you're a Salesforce customer. I want to know, do you have this pain point, right? So maybe it's something that you help along with Salesforce. Okay, so you have this pain point, or you have the fit, you are a Salesforce customer, or do you have also this problem? And that's me doing outbound messaging. And the really cool part of it, guys, is when you can kind of combine these two things into one. Okay, so once again, I know my handwriting is atrocious, but let's say someone comes inbound to you and they send you a message, or they opt into one of your free trainings, then you can have one of your outbound team or your virtual assistants, whoever it is, reach out to them and follow up with them. Or maybe they go outbound. Okay, so this is really interesting. Outbound, you send an outbound message, and in that outbound message is a bunch of different resources or testimonials or case studies, and inside of those case studies, or on that web page that you're hosting all of that stuff, you've pixeled that for retargeting traffic, or you ask if they want to put their email in after they have opted landed on your landing page, and then you capture them as an inbound lead now. And so you kind of create this like nice little mixture of a circular motion here, and that's how you really start to feed the beast or the machine. So that's what inbound and outbound marketing is. I hope you guys got some value out of it. Now, I have put together a free training where I cover inbound marketing much more in depth, outbound marketing, messaging scripts, how we've essentially created a machine that does the inbound and outbound marketing for us on autopilot. And in order to get access to that, all you have to do is click the button in the description below, and you'll be able to get access to it immediately. Also, as usual, if you guys found value out of this video, please do me a quick favor, give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, comment down any questions you have about inbound or outbound marketing, and I'll be sure to answer them. I'll see you guys in the comments.